Hi, I'll show you how to make your own odorless Dammar Varnish. You will need a pair of nitrile gloves because the solution becomes very sticky. A nylon pantyhose or nylon socks so you don't need to cut it. A glass jar with lid in a proper size. Obviously Dammar resin and isosol from Kama pigments. Something to measure the ingredients. I will link the products in the description below. We will make a solution 2 portions of isosol to 1 portion of Dammar resin. So 50 grams Dammar, 100 grams isosol. Keep in mind you can always dilute and dissolve the mixture. First, check if the jar fits the wanted amount. The Dammar should hang freely and shouldn't touch the glass. Put the Dammar in the nylon sock and stretch it over the edge of the jar. Measure the right amount of isosol and add to Dammar. Close the jar and let's see how it dissolves. After 3 days, check the mixture. In my case, there is around 1/3 Dammar left and it looks like the solvent is saturated fully, so I add more isosol around 20 to 35 milliliters and leave it for 2 or 3 more days. It looks like the isosol is not that aggressive as the turpentine which would be normally used, but we want to do it without smelly stuff, right? I will pour my ready solution over and refill the jar with some isosol so I have more varnish for the future. Use the varnish on oil or acrylic paintings utilizing a soft brush.